Hello and welcome to Orin-X. In this video we talk about selectors and cascading in CSS. If you enjoy our content, leave a like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X for more creative content. In this video, we're going to be discussing how to use selectors to target specific HTML elements and understand the cascading nature of CSS styles. These are important concepts for any web developer to understand as they form the foundation for creating effective and efficient CSS styles. First, let's talk about selectors. In CSS, selectors are used to target specific HTML elements on a web page. There are several different types of selectors, including element selectors. These selectors target specific HTML elements, such as the p element for paragraphs. Class selectors. These selectors target elements with a specific class attribute, such as class equals my class. ID selectors. These selectors target elements with a specific ID attribute, such as ID equals my ID. Attribute selectors. These selectors target elements with a specific attribute, such as ref. Pseudo-class selectors. These selectors target elements based on their state, such as hover. Using selectors in combination with CSS styles allows you to target specific elements on a web page and apply styles to them. Now, let's talk about cascading. Cascading refers to the way in which CSS styles are applied to elements on a web page. When multiple styles are applied to the same element, the styles will cascade down, with the most specific styles being applied last. For example, if you have a class selector for p elements and a class selector for myClass elements, the styles for myClass will be applied to the p element if it also has the myClass class applied to it. It's important to understand cascading because it allows you to create more efficient and organized CSS styles. By using selectors to target specific elements and understanding how styles are applied, you can create clean and maintainable CSS. In summary, selectors and cascading are essential concepts for any web developer to understand. By using selectors to target specific elements and understanding the cascading nature of CSS styles, you can create effective and efficient CSS styles for your website. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.